The goal of this is to feed this information to European industry so that Europe becomes the one-stop shop for optical communication in future.
Welcome back to our GfR Discovery Hub. In our previous episodes, we explored the power of optical communication. Fast, secure and interference-free. Now we are taking it further with OPTIMUS, our operational platform for secure laser communication services. OPTIMUS is designed to test, integrate and operate future optical systems across various use cases, from government communication to research and critical infrastructure. What makes OPTIMUS unique? Which partners are involved? And how does DLR GfR help turn innovation into real-world secure services? My colleagues Gustavo and Adam have some insights for us.
I'm Gustavo Ribeiro, a systems engineer here at DLR GfR. Today we are excited to introduce you to the OPTIMUS project, an European initiative supported by the European Space Agency. As you already learned in our previous episodes, optical-based ground stations provide major benefits when compared with radio frequency-based systems, such as its improved security and higher speeds. However, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed for a broader commercial adoption of these technologies, such as its weather sensitivity, operational costs, and the lack of standardization.
I'm Adam Santifaller and I'm the lead technical engineer for the OPTIMUS project. OPTIMUS is a modular testbed that is here to explore further the technology of optical communications. So with the OPTIMUS project, we want to be able to connect satellite operators with optical ground station providers and allow scheduling of data transfer in an automated and centralized way. The testbed will consider orbits, position of optical ground stations and also weather conditions, and use this information to find the optimized way of scheduling a link between satellite and ground stations. With OPTIMUS, we also plan to support the standards to make this system widely usable.
My name's Paul Catino. I'm the head of systems engineering and now also the main internal stakeholder for the OPTIMUS project. OPTIMUS looks at different user cases for optical communication. The four that we have identified in the project, so from LEO to ground, so low Earth orbit satellites to ground. So that is in the range of 600 to 1,200 kilometers above the Earth. Then you're going much further into space, so the geosynchronous orbits, so they're more about 36,000, synchronized with the turning of the Earth. So that's also an important user case, but has a longer latency time than the LEO transmission. And then also looking towards lunar communication, which is also a strong user case, where you have the moon being a small patch in the sky. So a lot of RF communication might have some self-interference there. Optical can help with that, with those communication issues that might occur in future. And then also quantum key distribution, that's also important to have optical communication play a role there.
OPTIMUS brings together a strong consortium of partners from across Europe, including some DLR institutes, Swedish Space Corporation and IPCAM. Each contributes valuable expertise across different domains, such as optical communications, networking and operations. DLR GfR, acting as the OPTIMUS Prime, leads the integration, development and operations of the testbed, while also coordinating the contributions from all the partners. By combining these perspectives, we are making sure the system is not just technically sound, but also operationally relevant.
With OPTIMUS, we want to be able to understand what is really needed in order to make optical communication as a service into a product.
Thank you, Gustavo and Adam. We stay tuned on this exciting GfR project. In 2 weeks, we will talk with my colleague Dirk about the GovSatcom Hub and which role GfR plays in it. Until then, keep reaching for the stars.